What's even happening?
Our car is broken down and we're in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, there's trees all around. No people. What are we gonna do?
We're stuck forever.
We're so sad. Will we be okay?
Yeah,
Are we gonna have to live in this woods?
Yeah. We have food and water. We're good.
Well, that's good. Okay, wish us luck.
We don't have that much water and food.
Uh-oh, we better find help. Wish us luck, everybody.
Bye.
Till next time, subscribe so you can find out what happened.